Welcome to the quarterfinals of the 2022 National Science and Math Quiz. We bring you the 6th quarterfinal contest, which features Presbyterian Boys Secondary School, Accra Academy, and Pope John Minor Seminary and Senior High School. Presbyterian Boys Secondary School is represented by
Alfred Kenny, senior final year.
Enim St. Christ John, final year.
You're welcome, gentlemen.
Thank you.
How are you doing?
We
We are fine by God's grace.
All right, that's great. So, gentlemen, when you are not doing science and math, what do you do?
So I do some little bits of arts and I also sing. I do some little bits of arts and I also sing, so I can sketch or draw.
Singing.
Yes, and artwork.
That's nice. That's nice. Maybe you'll sing a song at the end. Okay, good. And you?
I like to play the piano.
Piano. Oh, you are very nicely paired. One will be playing the piano, the other will be singing, right? Okay. Gentlemen, I wish you well.
Thank you.
Presbyterian boys with the same preamble. Cesium nitrate.
No substitute.
Yes, Alfred.
The acid is HNO3 and the base is CSOH.
You're right. Presbyterian boys with the same preamble. L is equal to 2 meters and theta is equal to 30 degrees. Yes, Alfred?
Okay, fine, good answer.
3 rad per second.
Yes. (10 centimeters and 24 centimeters. Yes, Tankran?
13 centimeters.
Yes. A mixture of propanol and ethanol is heated in sulfuric acid. Give the name of one ether that may be formed in this reaction. And first choice, Pope John. Yes, Alfred?
Ether.
The same thing again?
Ethyl propyl ether.
Yes. Name the hormone which would be released and the gland that secretes the hormone during the given situation. I hope you got that. All right, so Pope John, when a person is frightened, Presbyterian boys with the same preamble, growth of a child into an adult. Yes, Alfred?
Specific one.
The growth hormone, and it is secreted by the anterior pituitary gland.
Okay. Given that the enthalpy of combustion of hexane is negative 4,160 kilojoule per mole, determine the mass of hexane needed to produce 8,320 kilojoule of heat.
Now, just
Yes, Alfred?
Grams, right?
yes.
172 grams.
Yes. At the end of the first round, Pope John Minor Seminary and Senior High School has 16 points. Accra Academy has 19 points. Presbyterian Boys Secondary School has 30 points. Round 2. Why are cellulose-rich food substances a good source of roughage for human beings? Yes, Alfred.
This is because cellulose-rich foods are indigestible and they contain a lot of beta glucose units, and these units are aggregated to form microfibrils, and these microfibrils, since they are not able to be digested by the human body, they serve as a source of roughage for the human.
To enable.
Yes. Next set, 30 seconds each. 30 seconds. First one. A region is known to harbor 3 electric charges, 2 of which are each known to be positive 16 nanocoulomb. If the electric flux out of a surface completely enclosing the region is 0, what must be? Yes. Tim Crime.
Negative 32 nanocoulomb.
Yes. Next one. Solve the inequality. The expression x plus 2 over the expression x minus 1 is greater. Yes, Alfred.
X is such that x is a member of all real numbers, where x is greater than 1 or x is less than negative 2.
Yes. At the end of the second round, Pope John Minor Seminary and Senior High School has 19 points. Accra Academy has 20 points. Presbyterian Boys Secondary School has 41 points. Round 3. This round has the problem of the day. Now, please turn over your sheets and let's read. We are only reading. Let's read the problem of the day together. Problem of the day. Solve the simultaneous equations for x and y. Y is equal to 1 plus log to the base 3 of x, and x raised to the power y is equal to 3 squared. Contestants, this is your problem of the day. You may now begin. Round 4. 3-chloropropanoic acid is a stronger acid than 2-chloropropanoic acid. Yes, Tinkran.
False.
You're right. Indicate whether the given statement is true or false with respect to autotrophs. I hope you got your preamble. Okay, so Presbyterian boys, they synthesize carbohydrates from carbon dioxide and water in the presence of sunlight and chlorophyll.
It's not all autotrophs. So is it true?
Alfred?
True.
Yes. If I squared is equal to -1, then that's a preamble. The expression 1 plus I multiplying the expression 1 minus I is equal to 2. Alfred?
True.
Yes. Bremsstrahlung radiation can only be produced by deceleration of electrons. Alfred?
False.
Yes. The volume occupied by 3.2 gram of oxygen and 0.2 gram of hydrogen is the same. Alfred?
Okay. True.
Yes. Indicate whether the given statement is true or false with respect to the functions of cerebrospinal fluid. That's the preamble. Presbyterian boys, it physically supports neural structures.
Because of the water content.
Alfred?
True.
Yes. At the end of the fourth round, Pope John Minor Seminary and Senior High School has 26 points. Accra Academy has 30 points. Presbyterian Boys Secondary School has 64 points. I am a relation between two or more variables. I come in different forms. I may be direct. Yes, Alfred.
Variation.
You are right. They solved the riddle on the third clue, 3 points. And that's the end of the fifth round. Pope John Minor Seminary and Senior High School has 26 points. Accra Academy has 33 points. Presbyterian Boys Secondary School has 67 points. Presbyterian Boys Secondary School, congratulations on winning the contest. Well done, well done, well done. Contestants, as always, the contest comes to you in 5 rounds. The first round is the round for fundamental concepts. I'm going to present you with simple, direct questions. I'm expecting simple, direct answers from you. If you answer your major question correctly, 3 points. If the question is incorrectly answered, it becomes available for a bonus. A school may ring an attempt. If right, a bonus point. If not, there's a penalty, 1 point. For questions that require calculations, you have 30 seconds to present your answer. If there are no calculations, you have 10 seconds to do so. Gentlemen, please, I would like to remind you, all of our questions are to be attempted once only. Best wishes, everyone. First set of questions will require 30 seconds of your time. I have a preamble to all schools, after which I'll come to you. Preamble to all schools. A 124 Newton ladder of length 3.5 meter leans without slipping against a smooth vertical wall with its other end, which is rounded, resting on a rough horizontal floor. I hope you got that preamble. One more time. A 124 Newton ladder of length 3.5 meter leans without slipping against a smooth vertical wall with its other end, which is rounded, resting on a rough horizontal floor. Now, Presbyterian boys, Find the magnitude of the reaction force exerted on the ladder by the wall when the ladder makes an angle of 30 degrees with the horizontal. Alfred?
62 Newton.
That's incorrect for a bonus. Provide the name of the species of organisms to which the given description refers. Provide the name of the species of organisms to which the given description refers. Your description, Presbyterian boys. Species that can adapt to a wide range of temperature changes. Alfred?
Euthermo species.
That's incorrect for a bonus. Find the coordinates of the stationary point or points of the given function. I hope you got the preamble. All right, Presbyterian boys. Y is equal to the expression x squared plus 1 over the expression x squared minus 1. Yes, Tankran.
So the stationary points are 0, -1 and 1, 0, -1.
Okay. Presbyterian boys, name the structure of the mammalian heart that prevents the backflow of blood from left ventricle to left atrium during systole. Yes, Alfred?
The bicuspid valve.
Yes. Presbyterian boys, given that x plus 1 over x equals p, find x cubed plus 1 over x cubed in terms of p. Alfred?
PQ minus 3P.
P cubed minus 3P.
You are right. An organic compound with the molecular formula C4H8O2 contains only one functional group. Please give the systematic name of only one possible isomer of this compound. Presbyterian boys, first choice. Alfred?
Yeah. Ethyl. What? Ethanoate.
You are right. Preamble. Indicate the environments in which plants with the given features are found and state how the features adapt such plants to their environment. I hope you got that one. Great. Presbyterian boys, thick waxy stem. Alfred?
It is present in dry environments, and this enables the plants to be able to hold a lot of water and prevent water loss from the plant.
Yes. Find the solution set of the absolute value inequality. I hope you got it. Good. Absolute value of the expression 2x minus 5 is less than 3. Alfred.
So, x is such that x is a member of all real numbers where 1 less than x less than 4.
You are right. First round. Kumasi High School has 7 points. St. James Seminary Senior High School has 18 points. Presbyterian Boys Secondary School has 19 points. Okay. So now, audience, you can help me. You can help me. If you make a lot of noise, it's hard for me to hear, and then we have incidents like this. So please help me by allowing me to hear the answers and for your contestants to also hear the questions. Thank you. Round 2. Why can't amino acid-based hormones cross the plasma membrane? Yes, Alfred.
This is because amino acid hormones are polar, and the cell membrane is such that the inner portion of the cell membrane is hydrophobic due to the lipids present in the cell membrane. And because of this polar nature of the amino acids, when they get to the cell membrane, they are repelled by this inner lipid layer of the cell membrane. Hence, this does not allow these amino hormones to pass through the membrane successfully.
Yes. St. James. 2.44 gram of benzoic acid, a weak monoprotic acid, was dissolved in 1 decimeter cubed of deionized water. Calculate the pH of the resulting solution, given that Ka of benzoic acid is 5.0 times 10 raised to the power negative 5. Yes, Alfred.
3.00.
Yes. Find the value of dy dx at the point A with coordinates 2, 2 on the curve x squared plus xy plus y squared equals 12. Yes. Alfred.
dy dx is equal to negative 1.
Yes. Last one. the equation. Solve the equation. X raised to the power 5 minus 5x cubed plus 4x is equal to 0. Yes. Sankran.
X equals 0, or x equals plus or minus 2, or x equals plus or minus 1.
Yes. That's the end of the second round. At the end of the second round, Kumasi High School has 7 points. St. James Seminary Senior High School has 19 points. Presbyterian Boys Secondary School has 32 points. Round 3. This round has the problem of the day. A ball is propelled vertically downward at a speed u equals 25 meters per second and strikes a horizontal surface at time t naught equals 5.0 seconds after projection. The coefficient of restitution for the collision between the ball and the surface is E, which is equal to 0.80. How long does the ball take to come to rest? Contestants, this is your problem of the day. You may now begin. Round 4. In this round, I'm going to be presenting you with statements. When you receive a statement, please consider the statement very carefully and let me know whether it's true or false. If you are right, 2 points. If you are incorrect, you lose a precious point. You may choose not to respond, in which case the statement is available to the 2 remaining schools. A school may ring and attempt an answer. If right, 2 full points. If not, there's a penalty, 1 point. Best wishes. First set of statements, I have a short preamble to all schools. Preamble. Given the following gaseous reaction, 2SO2 plus O2 going reversibly to 2SO3. That's the preamble. Presbyterian boys, An increase in pressure will shift the equilibrium to the right and increase the value of the equilibrium constant. Alfred?
False.
Yes. The majority of dietary lipids are ingested in the form of trisaccharides. Yes, Alfred?
False.
Yes. If f of x equals x minus 1, then the inverse of f of x is equal to 1 over the expression x minus 1. Yes, Tenkran?
False.
Yes. In any semiconductor, aluminium constitutes a donor impurity. Yes, Tenkran?
False.
Yes. Chlorine partially dissolves in water but does not react with water.
False.
Yes. Presbyterian boys, the adult filament of this alga has haploid vegetative cells and diploid gametangia. Yes, Alfred?
False.
Yes. The curve with equation xy equals 1 lies solely in that's the preamble. Presbyterian boys, first quadrant. Alfred?
False.
Yes. At the end of the 4th round, Kumasi High School has 5 points. St. James Seminary Senior High School has 32 points. Presbyterian Boys Secondary School has 45 points. I am a 4-digit number. My first digit is the sum of the roots of the equation x squared minus 2x plus 3 is equal to 0. My second digit is the product of the roots of the same equation. My third digit is the absolute difference of my first and second digits. The sum of my digits is a dozen. Yes. Alfred.
2,316.
Yes. I read the 5th clue, 3 points. And by the way, I hope now you know that it's possible to do calculations in riddles. It's possible. So riddles can be anything. All right. I am a type of tree. By analogy to botanical trees, I am made of leaves, branches, nodes, and roots. My leaves, also called tips, can represent species, populations. Yes, Tempran.
Phylogenetic tree.
Yes. And that's the end of the 5th round. Kumasi High School has 8 points. St. James Seminary Senior High School has 35 points. Presbyterian Boys Secondary School has 51 points. Kumasi High School, thank you for being here. This is the end of the road, and so we say goodbye to you. However, because we are in the money zone, Absa Bank is giving you 480 Ghana cedis for your team. All the best to you. St. James Seminary Senior High School, thank you for being here. Today was not your day, and so we must say goodbye to you. All the best in everything you do. From the money zone, Absa Bank is giving you 2,100 Ghana cedis. Best wishes. Presbyterian Boys Secondary School, congratulations on winning the contest. Well done. From the money zone, you are getting 3,060 Ghana cedis from Absa Bank. In addition to that, if your scores remain the highest of the day, you stand to win the Airtel Tigo Highest Scorer Award, which at this stage, semifinals, is worth 5,000 Ghana cedis. So we'll see what happens at the end of the day. All right? Okay. But for me, the most important thing is that you have qualified to the grand finale. Yay!